Welcome to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to align, space, and arrange text in PowerPoint. Alignment ensures that text is positioned neatly on the slide. Select the text box, then go to the Home tab and choose Left, Center, Right, or Justify Alignment. For vertical alignment within placeholders, select the text box, right-click, and choose Format Shape. Then adjust vertical alignment to top, middle, or bottom. Spacing helps improve readability. You can increase or decrease line spacing by going to the Home tab and selecting Line Spacing. Hover over the spacing options to preview how the text will look. Use consistent spacing across all slides for a clean and professional appearance. Arranging text involves positioning text boxes. Select the text box and drag it where you want. Or use the Align options under the Arrange group in the Home tab. You can align multiple text boxes together to the left, right, or center. With alignment, spacing, and arranging, your slides will look more organized and professional. That's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.